Good morning, good afternoon. So today I'm gonna do the unboxing. So I order a SD card. So I receive it today, the 20 Tuesday, 2026. So let's check it out. Oh my God, it's a big box. Only for a SD card. So I'm gonna unbox it. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna continue to unbox it. Okay, so I unbox it. So I continue. So lots of brown paper. A lot. Don't need these. At least it's secure. So, oh, finally, I have it. My SD card. 256 gigabyte. My SD card. Good. And with all the that's the packaging slip. Okay, from Newegg. So good. A big box for a small SD card. A big box for a small SD card. It is what it is. So we have to be careful. Good. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully you're gonna see a better video, with the image and the sound. All right. Thanks. See you to the next one. Peace out. I'm signing out.